school where he's on the choral group. And he says, Mom, every song we sing about Christianity, they're making us change it. They won't let us say Jesus. We have to say another word. But I have to sit up here and learn the Jewish songs.
Wow.
What's wrong with this, Mom? So we went to the Board of Education. And I had to, like you said, you had to take a stand.
That's
you
right.
had to take a risk. And we're saying to these parents, you go to the meetings, you don't hear a pin drop. You see us there, you see the Caucasian people there with their children supporting. And black people, we have to take a stand.
That's right.
We have to be heard also.
That's right. That's right.
And so I'm telling my son, you be all that you can be.
That's it.
And I own my own business, so I'm going to, I'm teaching him.
That's
you
right.
can start a business.
That's right.
You can start a business at the age of 15. We go to the supermarket, I give him his money, and I said, don't just throw things in the cart because I have to pay for this. But if I give you $20, I'm going to teach you. This is how much money you have to spend and be a keeper of your own money. So there are things that we have to do as parents to